Hello, friends! Welcome back to our English family. I am Sarah.
And I am Davis. We are so happy to see you.
Davis, imagine you are at a party. You meet a stranger. What is the first question they ask you?
After "What is your name?" they always ask, "What do you do?"
Yes, what do you do? It means, what is your job?
It is the most common question in the world, but for English learners, it can be scary.
You don't want to just say, I am a doctor, and stop. That is boring.
You want to say, "I am a doctor. I work at the city hospital." It is stressful but rewarding.
Today, we will teach you how to talk about your job confidently. We will cover job titles, daily tasks, and how to describe your feelings about work. Are you ready to get to work? Let's go.
First, let's start with the basics. I am a.
Be careful with the article a or an. I am a teacher. I am an engineer. I am an accountant.
And where do you work? We use the preposition at or in. I work in an office. I work at a bank. I work in a school.
Davis, what if I don't have a boss? What if I work for myself?
Then you say, I am self-employed, or I am a freelancer.
I love that word, freelancer. It sounds so free.
And what if I don't have a job right now?
You can say, I am between jobs. This is a polite way to say you are looking for a new job.
Or if you are finished working forever?
Then you are retired. Lucky you. Now let's talk about what you actually do all day. We need action verbs.
Don't just say, "I work." Be specific.
If you are a teacher, you can say, I teach students. I prepare lessons. I correct homework.
If you are a salesperson, you can say, "I sell products. I meet clients. I negotiate prices."
If you work in an office, you probably say, I check emails. I attend meetings. I write reports.
Davis, what about you? What do you do?
I am a graphic designer, so I design logos. I draw pictures. I use computer software.
Listeners, think about your job. What are 3 verbs you use every day?
Now, the important part. Do you like your job?
We need adjectives here. If you love your job, you can say, it is exciting, it is interesting, it is creative.
My favorite word is rewarding.
What does rewarding mean?
It means it makes you feel good inside, like you are helping people. Being a doctor is very rewarding.
But what if your job is bad?
Then you can say, it is boring, it is stressful, it is tiring. It makes you tired.
Or if you do the same thing every day?
It is repetitive. My job is repetitive. I just stamp papers all day.
Or challenging. This is a good word. It means it is difficult, but in a good way. It makes you grow. Let's practice a conversation. I am an old friend. We meet at a coffee shop.
Okay.
Hey, Sarah, long time no see. What are you doing these days?
Hi, Davis. I am working as a graphic designer now.
Wow, that sounds cool. Where do you work?
I work for a small company called Creative Minds, but sometimes I work from home.
Working from home? That is the dream. Do you like it?
I love it. It is very creative, but sometimes it is a bit stressful. The deadlines are tight.
I understand. I am an accountant now.
Oh, really? Is it interesting?
To be honest, it is a bit repetitive, looking at numbers all day, but the salary's good.
That is important too.
Stop! Did you hear our new words? creative, stressful, repetitive, salary.
Let's explain some of those words we just used.
First, salary. This is the money you get every month. My salary is good.
Second, deadline. This is the time when you must finish your work. I have a deadline tomorrow. I have to work late.
Third, colleague or coworker. These are the people you work with. My colleagues are very friendly.
Fourth, full-time versus part-time. Full-time is usually 40 hours a week, 9 to 5. Part-time is fewer hours, maybe 20 hours.
And finally, overtime. This means working extra hours. I worked overtime yesterday until 9 p.m.
Davis, if you could have any job in the world, what would it be?
Ooh, good question. I think I would be a travel blogger
Why?
because I could travel to beautiful countries, eat delicious food, and write about it. No office, no boss, just freedom.
That sounds amazing, but it is also hard work. You have to take photos and write every day.
True. What about you, Sarah? What is your dream job?
I would like to be a florist.
A florist? Someone who sells flowers?
Yes, being surrounded by beautiful smells and colors all day. It sounds so peaceful, not stressful at all.
Listeners, what is your dream job? Is it a pilot, a singer, a chef? We learned a lot today. Job titles: teacher, engineer, freelancer. Verbs: teach, sell, check emails. Feelings: rewarding, stressful, challenging. Office words: salary, deadline, colleague.
Now we have a challenge for you. In the comments, introduce yourself professionally. Write 3 sentences. I am a job title. I, verb, every day. My job is adjective.
For example, I am a nurse. I help sick people every day. My job is tiring but rewarding.
If you don't have a job, write about your dream job.
We can't wait to read about your careers.
Thank you for working hard on your English today.
See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.